Why should you even watch my challenge? How it would be helpful to you? I am going to share what actually went well from last 1 week and what didn't went well and what are my learnings, how I am going to improve those. This video will be motivation to you as well and you will be learning something. Please continue watch. I am going to share more details in this video. Hello everyone, I am RK. Recently I started a 90 days challenge for YouTube journey. Officially I confirmed 1 week journey and I would like to share my experience. Let's jump into the analytics of the videos and we'll learn more there. Let's jump into the analytics for shorts. Here is what I observed. Basically, I have created one Excel sheet just for my understanding purpose. And here you can notice that from last August 31st to till today, that is 7th of September, Sunday, around 10 videos together, short plus long. Here around 7, 8 basically, 8 shorts along with this which I am recording, and two long videos. So currently these are the titles which I'm just maintaining whole Excel sheet just for my understanding what are the learnings and what are the drawbacks which I have done as part of this journey, 1 week journey, especially moving to the list of shots. Around, as I mentioned, 7 shots which I already released, and here you can notice that number of views 234 and 257. So I was thinking that what could the reason other shots not reached that much, especially for example the 65. Actually this was I released on August 31st, but still the views are very less when compared to this one. So my analysis could be, what could be the reason my thumbnail. Here you can notice that, let me open this video just for understanding purpose. See, this thumbnail does not looks very nice, and so that could the reason, that is not looks, maybe that didn't reach the people. And here you can notice that the thumbnail is completely different, and the thumbnail looks very neat. So this is how I could able to see 234 views. So here one more is the one, this is also related to, here also what I observed all together, the thumbnails are very important. That is very first point, even for the shorts. Thumbnails are very important even for shorts. And other part is the duration, how much duration which we are giving. Here the first one, actually I made it 1 minute 17 second, that is huge. This one is very short, 41 seconds. And other one is which is little number, one around 1 minute, but I got the good number. Maybe the reason could be my analysis, freshers versus seniors, the keywords maybe little catchy here. Here especially it's related to some earning, so that could the reason it reached more people. So this is my analysis around shorts. Let me improve especially on the thumbnail side, and let me reduce the time for the shorts. Now let's jump into the videos. I have created two videos. One is intro for my channel, why smart people fail coding interviews. Basically I explained about everything, what is my vision on this channel. And I created one more video which is around 10 minutes, and this is completely out of topic, which actually my vision of the channel. Just I want to make sure that I am covering the journey as well, because here I'm going to cover what are the tips I'm going to use technically, and any AI tools which I'm going to use. So that also I feel that something which is related to technical, so that is the reason I included that as well in the different playlist. Okay, coming back to the point. So here around 42 views are there. There are only 3 views are there. Let's jump here. 42 views. Here you can notice that other side of the camera. Actually, I to record this I'm using mobile, so I'm looking at other side of the lens. So that could the reason the engaging also very less. So I'm trying to improve that quality as well in the next videos, upcoming videos. Even for this one as well, I feel that thumbnails looks good, but this even this look also, it's completely outside of the lens which I'm looking. So definitely I have to improve here as well. Overall, these key takeaways which I'm taking for further. Actually, I'm not much worrying about number of views. Here I'm more focusing on the 90 days of challenge. Consistently I want to share my knowledge every day as per my plan, and I want to go moving forward in this challenge. I completed week number 1, and if you also on the same journey, please stick with me and we can grow together, and we'll see where we'll be after 90 days. Are you curious about your YouTube journey, and do you also want to avoid my mistakes? Please subscribe, give a like. Thank you all, the very best.